Bonjour to my Congo customers. My name is Anto and I work with Jetpass Logistics. I want to introduce you to our airline from China to Congo. And we've been working with Congo for a very long time, and as we all know, Congo is a very good business partner with China. And our airline takes maximum of 5 days from China to Congo. And all you need to do is wait for a test from our office in the 5th day and pick up your goods in our office there in Congo. And you don't have to pay anything before shipment. All your payments will be made in Congo as you receive your goods. When you receive your goods, you can make payments. We also want to thank our old customers, and we appreciate your doing business with us for a very long time now, and we welcoming our new customers. Thank you all for choosing Jetpass Logistics. And then about our sea line, we have been working with the best shipping line for a very long time, like Cusco, MSK, HPR. All you need to do is wait for a test. When you get a test, you go to our office and pick up your goods. Our sea line takes not more than 45 days. You get your message. You don't make any payment before shipment, and we always try to use the best exchange rates to make our customers happy and make shipping affordable for everyone. We appreciate the new customers and we thank the old customers for always trusting Jetpass Logistics. You can as well subscribe to this YouTube channel to always get updates, and or download our app to always get information on rates and every other information you need. If you have any question, you can contact our customer service for any inquiry at any time. We work 24 hours for Congo line. Thank you for choosing Jetpass Logistics. Merci.